the feet are soaking. They have to soak for 3 to 5 minutes. Now, if you're unable or unwilling to soak your feet twice a day, that's fine. Here's a little hack. You're gonna take a washcloth and you're gonna get it nice and wet. You don't need it sopping to where it's dripping, but it does have to be wet. And just give me your foot for 1 second. And what you're gonna do is you're going to lay it and tuck it over the toenails and let that sit for 3 to 5 minutes. This way the nails and skin are saturated, because the way this system works is through moisture. All right, pop it back in, baby. Now the system is simple to use. Steps 1 and 2 are the actual spa solution. You're gonna use these twice a day. If we can't manage twice, absolutely use it once a day. We're gonna make sure that the feet have been exposed to water for 3 to 5 minutes, so after a shower is perfect. You're gonna dry off the toes. We're gonna apply step 1. We're gonna let that get a little tacky to where it's a little sticky. Then we're gonna apply step 2, which is the dermal seal, and that's gonna be applied to the skin, hence the dermal. 3 days out of the week, we are going to use debrider. And what debrider does is it actually helps to clear out the debris and everything from under the nails, so the system can work better. Can work better, will work better, something along those lines. It'll do better. Okay, so I am going to show you really quick how to use all of these, and then I'm gonna actually continue my service because my client has been amazing. Pick a foot, baby. So it's been soaking. We're gonna pat dry, and then we're just gonna shake up and drop on some debrider. So this is what you would do every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or whatever your schedule will allow. You want to do it about every other day. This way it can get under the nails, loosen that dead skin to clear it out so we can treat what is left. The easiest thing to do, take a nail brush and we're going to wet it. I'm cheating. I'm using the water. This can sit for about 2 minutes. So get out of the shower, pat the feet dry, drop it on, go ahead and brush your teeth. Then you're gonna take your nail brush and just clear everything out that we can. And it's getting a little soapy because of what I have in the water, which is the Socalyptus and the Kickstart. And Kickstart is part of the ACESO system, but that is for professional use only. And you see, I am not using a lot of pressure, but I am being pretty vigorous. And we will always push away and out so nothing comes back into the lateral and proximal folds, and underneath gets nice and clean. We're gonna wipe that off, and then we're gonna proceed with our step 1. Now, the great thing about ACESO is it can be used on the skin as well. So if there is a presence of itchy skin that could possibly be from athlete's foot, you can absolutely, this is fine to go on the skin. So after you brush your teeth, you would put your step 1 on, and once you massage it in, it will get tacky pretty quickly. This is gonna take a moment. It's getting there, so we're thinking about like 60 seconds. There you go. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Now step 2 is our dermal seal. This is what we want to put onto the skin, because this is going to lock all of that antibacterial, antimicrobial goodness right into the nail bed. Now, the system does get very tacky and sticky, and that can be uncomfortable. But what's great is if you follow the regimen, once you add your daddy oil, as the last step, it is actually going to alleviate any of that stickiness. So from here, you can proceed and put on your socks or your sandals or whatever you need, and that is your application process.